Hey guys, Andrew Plies here with MarineMax on Lake Lanier. We are on board our brand new 2025 Sylvan A822. Starting back here on the transom of the boat, you have a really nice ski tow bar as well as a flip down ladder. This boat is going to be powered with a Yamaha 150 horsepower outboard. Moving into the aft section of this boat, really nice and spacious as well as comfortable seating. You will have storage underneath all your seating, as well as your backrests. And then you are going to have a really nice, hardcore, really durable, roto-molded composite material. So really durable for whether you're bringing young kids out on the lake with you, or you just want something that's going to stand the test of time. So moving forward into the cockpit area, you are going to have dual cockpit chairs with high back seats. Sitting here on the console, you are going to have a wet sounds radio system, as well as a Hummingbird multifunction display. So this is going to give you all of your chart plotting as well as your depth finder. And then just some more of your digital gauges as well as your rocker switches like your docking lights and your navigation. Another really awesome feature of the Sylvan A822 is this boat is going to come standard with a power bimini top. So push of a button, you can raise or lower this bimini top, whether you want to get in the sun or you want to get out of the sun for a little bit. Moving forward from the cockpit section of this boat, here in the forward-facing section, it's kind of going to mirror the aft portion of this boat. You are going to have two speakers, just like in the aft section, as well as storage underneath all of your seating compartments here. Really nice additional features. You are going to have two additional cup holders that will attach. Lots more to show you on the Sylvan A822. If you'd like to learn more about this boat, visit us at MarineMax.com or visit us here in Bald Ridge Marina.